Kublai pi baro shagatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kibakong Samla Shillong. Yuk kejat Menteri Rangba Hamaura kenti kemen kipatba. Kat arngut nak keleng ke Jylla kila yuk pediang yaki artificial lim nak ke sorkar. Entep kerteng election MP Raja Sabha James hanga prataring. Ban Pasiau kamar yang ban penbahaya kesundan nak bentah kalawai. Bat mentang ini apa? Shiki Khubor kibakam benya. Menteri Rangba kondat ke Sangma urayu kejat hasnau maura latgro sin di blok hakasan tarik Jylliew ban bentah hakajing rakhe yakasngi penne mariang World Environment Day hagabaki borsnong berkipat ba nakani kathan kila pediang burom ya bat yaki he kihan ke sorkar Jylla dakajing kemen ke bakrau. Kasnong maura kalong kekerdop penhiar syaki snong ki badon hatem kat ar snong kathan ke bapau nam hakarwai kasiau kasyat ke kemen kathan kenup kathan syang bat haka kenku ke pawar na Shillong lum banyakran para brew habaki don habri habesa. Usordar kasnong maura ba prangsingi nong rum haba ai jingkran pediang burom yu Menteri Rangba ba dikihe kihan ke sorkar Jylla ulapan pau ke jingkemen shikho ya par ya ke jingwan yu kejat jongki hakani kasnong kabadon hakenjang lum. Ya kini ke program penne mariang la penlong da ka Meghalaya Tourism bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA da ka basyem mikiktin ang shla. Pasiau kamariang ban sanku ya kasun beneng na kabenta kalaway inspired by nature for climate for a future. Hakani kalumpung Menteri Rangba ulasam bairneng ya ki try klau ki balari la sumar ban penne pensa ya ki lengba ka scheme States Payment for Ecosystem Services PES. Menteri Rangba ula pej sani bat play pat baru ya ki yeng trap bat ya ka restaurant balaker da kayet. Hakani kejingkran haka lumpung hamaura, Menteri Rangba ula kentu yaki he kihan daga baong. Man kapor haba penlong yaki nu ki program. Ken mau banbu hakmat yaki padba namar baro kijing temu jeng ki program ka sorkar, kilong ban kentiu yaki padba habaro kiliang joka jing imbreu hangni hasla pertei. Menteri Rangba ula ai jing mut bat batha bun ki yaki padba jong ka nikathan ban penroi bat pen internet yala ki jong ki jaka. Uba Gavin Miguel Milim MLA ke Sora ula penpau ke jing sngongu ke bakrau ya Menteri Rangba uba la wan jingo bat wanra ki jingkela ki bamla ban mudur ha ka nikathan kamtam hamaura lengba katenat jingo kai perthai tourism.
And the reason for this is two. The first reason is that it's a beautiful place with lovely people, and that always makes me want to come here. And second and most important is that what the village today here is doing is a true example of what community and government together can do to make a difference in people's lives and to be able to make a difference in governance and also to be able to make a difference to the environment. For anybody who comes here today to see this small reservoir and the spring, it looks quite nice and quite normal. But I'm sure that the officials from the Soil Conservation Department, the local people from this village, they have a very different picture. Because none of this was there a few years back. The springs had dried. The village was struggling for water. The overall vegetation and forestation had completely depleted. And the story of Maura was just like many other thousands of villages across our state. But today, because of the efforts of the community and the efforts of the Soil Conservation Department and other related departments, Maura is leading by example. What many people thought was never possible a couple of years back is actually happening right in front of us. Millions of cubics of liters of water is being stored here. The different water supply and requirements of the village are being supplied from here. The vegetation has increased. This has become a tourism spot which has led to livelihood. And today I am very happy that we are able to inaugurate these cottages and the glass restaurant, which I can tell you is one of the most unique restaurants and one of the most unique cottages that we have in the entire state. And truly this would be an experience where the tourist will really thrive and really would desire to come and experience. But as I have always mentioned to all of you, that tourism is not just about infrastructure. Tourism is not just about a restaurant or a cottage. Tourism is about an experience. It's about the experience that the tourist goes through. And we may have the best restaurant and the best infrastructure, but if you do not have the best hospitality, it won't make any difference.
Hakasan tarik Jylliew arhajar arpun riu kar arngut ki briu shinrang bat kenthei ki bala sniu bok bandu no yala ki jong ki kejat kila yo ya ki kejat bathamai artificial limbs na Office Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities jong ka sarkar Jylla lengba katanat social welfare. Katanat social welfare kalaya trelang bat ka pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities Divyan Jan kabadon hapo ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India bat ka Instalim India Private Limited kilasam me kini ki kjat hakikat arngut hakajingelang kabalalong hasosutham auditorium Shillong hakasan tarik Jylliew. Napring kini ki khar arngut kilawan na ki district ka Jylla ladon lang ki baduna lepa ki dekot met bat ki weipat ki paladu no yala ki kjat na ki weipat ki daw. Hakane ka jingelang sam kejan uba san Borshulai Menteri Arts and Culture ulalong ukong san. Ki weipat ki officer ki baladon lang hakane ka lumpong kilong u Commissioner and Secretary Social Welfare Pravin Bakshi IAS u Managing Director ka Chief Operating Officer jongka Instalim India Private Limited Soichiro Adachi u Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Batlingkor Kanjing MCS ka Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Kong Bridget Warshong bat kitu ki bala shakhot ngobha bat hakani ke sngi khat arngot baro ki briu ki bala du no yala ki jat jong ki Shillong ki la yo priang ye ki artificial limb kan thei bat shinrang ki bala wan na keleng ki district jong ka Jylla Meghalaya.
To each and every one of them who really needs our help and support, you have done it. So don't forget, whatever service that we have done, you have done for the people, service to God. In my life experience, you also will get a blessing, a special and a miracle blessing from Almighty God. In my life experience, I hail from a very poor BPL family from Laban. I was born and brought up in a 2 small room in a rented house in Laman. But my parents are very strong. So this message I'm giving to all the beneficiaries. So we fight for the rights, we are disciplined, we honor, we respect our parents, we respect our elderly people. And you will see, before I wind up my speech, based on the records. For example, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, he also living from a poor family from a village, born in a thatch house. They don't have a capacity even to buy kerosene oil, his parents. When the street light is on in the evening, so he'll run and starts studies beneath the street light. And at the end of the day, God bless him, and he has become he holding the prestigious post as the President of India. He hailed from the poor family. So many of them. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, in the morning helping his father in distributing akhbar in Hindi, which means newspaper. House to house, akhbar. And at the end of the day, he has become a scientist. He has occupied the highest post of the country, the President of India. And coming to our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. You know, after school, he will go run and assist his father in selling chai, selling tea, adjacent to the railway track.
Secretary of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Malthus S. Sangma hakasantarik Jylliew 8,000 riu ulaya tho ukertong MP Raja Sabha jong ke MDA 2 James PK Sangma untep kerteng nakabenta kani ke election hakapratarik Jylliew namar menta udang penbiang yaki kot kisla kibayadai bat kani kam Lakmi lenti bun kinong yalam kaseng NPP bat naki parti kibadan lang haka sorkar senrop kinwan ban senran ya uni ukertong rengkat ka power ka kenhoi kinkiu.
Will be on Monday, the 8th of June, and today actually the sponsored candidate from NPP wanted to come and file, but somehow I got the information that they are yet to prepare some documents. There are certain documents which are to be prepared, affidavit to be notarized. So some documents are not yet ready, so they will be coming on Monday at 11 o'clock. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Katanat penroi klau bat penne Mariang. Department of Forest and Environment jong sorkar Jylla kala rakhi yakasngi penne Mariang World Environment Day haka santarik Jylliew dakaba penlong yaka jingthung ding tiu sao baki pat ba kari jantia ki khot it la tuthin halum sangmen apa Shillong balashim benta deki pat ba ki khna school na Sanmer Basic School St Gabriel High Secondary School bana Saumer Presbyterian School. Hagani ka jingra ke ya kasngi penne Mariang Menteri Rangba kondat ke sangma ula kendong ya la kapatulun bat sopti ban shimbenta hakani ka jing penpriang sembai ya uding tiu sau rhododendron arboreum ka kerteng katkum ka science botany haranab ulum Shillong. Kinoyalam katunat penroi klau bat penne Mariang kilawan ra dakani ka ketin perta. Pasiau ka Mariang ban san khoi ya ka sun beneng na ka benta ka lawe hakani kasngi. Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Chief Secretary but bon ba ki wei pat ki he officer jong ka sorkar Meghalaya kila shim benta da ka jingshong shit ha kane ka jing penpriang sembai ding tiu sao. Ha ka jing kran jong u ha kane ka lumpung ulaya thu da ka baong. Kini ki program jong ka sorkar ki long ban kentiu ya ki pat ba ban penpau perthai ya ka jinglong VIP. Ki he sorkaru ki de ban shim benta ha kini ki program. Ula yaro bat aina meki kena skul ki balawan shim benta hagane ka program kabade na ka benta ka lawe jongki. Ula ongru baro ki laispa andre pusan sngi hakashisnem ki de ban long ki sngi ban kenmau bat ban penne ya ka mariang. Menteri Rangba ula ai ke jing Khublei sngi buram mariang bakamen ya baro ki balawan sharana lom Shillong ban shim benta hakajing penpriang sembai ding tiu sao haune ulum bakentang. Badak itu ki Khubor ngelapoi syakabakut tar hadu bangindaya syambiang Khublei Shibun.